Tonight, the NBC Chicago investigative team has learned that federal prosecutors in Northwest Indiana are worried that accused members of an organized crime gambling ring may go after witnesses in the case. How the government wants to handle that is causing a legal uproar for some attorneys for defendants who claim it is unconstitutional. Our investigative reporter Chuck Goudie in studio tonight has late details on what the investigative team has discovered. Chuck?
Allison, there are 22 people charged with operating a lucrative sports gambling business out of several restaurants in Northwest Indiana and suburban Chicago. The feds tonight suggest some of those charged are a threat to witnesses. Government attorneys trying to ensure that before they are sworn in, witnesses aren't intimidated. But their attorneys are fired up at what they see as unconstitutional heavy-handedness by prosecutors.
83-year-old convicted gambling chieftain Sam Nuzzo Jr. from Crown Point, Indiana, and Burr Ridge restaurateur Felipe Gigi Ravito are teaming up to fight government efforts aimed at installing an ironclad protective order on witness information. In this latest filing, prosecutors say the gambling organization relied on threats, intimidation, and violence against those who owed wagering money, and that public disclosures of witness information could bring future harm to them based on the past conduct of these defendants. And in the past, organized crime operatives, especially associates of the Chicago outfit, have not shied away from threatening witnesses, or worse.
Yeah, if you look at the history of the outfit, they've got a very, very long track record of aggressively intimidating, potential witnesses against them, and then after the fact, hurting people who testified against them, especially people who turned against them. Now, again, we're talking about the long sweep of history here. They may still threaten, and then it's up to the person who's been threatened to try and decide, gee, do I think they mean it?
Gigi Ravito, a felon who has previously been linked by federal investigators in Chicago to the outfit, and convicted gambler Nuzzo, now suggest in their own filings that the government is going beyond protecting witnesses and punishing the accused by imposing unconstitutional restrictions. And according to their attorneys, it's stifling a constitutional defense.
In a statement to NBC5 Investigates, Gigi Ravito's attorney tonight says Ravito is not alleged to have threatened, intimidated, assaulted, or harmed anyone. The real issue, according to Ravito lawyer Todd Pugh, is whether the government may withhold court-ordered discovery unless defendants surrender rights that extend far beyond the legitimate protection of sensitive information. Allison?
Chuck, thank you.